Hello students, we discussed simple past tense in our previous video. Now we will discuss past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to indicate an action that was happening at some time in the past. Okay, the time of action may be given or may not be. Right? When, like if I say we were playing all evening, हम पूरे शाम तक खेल रहे थे. She was dancing yesterday morning. वह कल सुबह नाच रही थी. और I was driving my car. मैं अपनी गाड़ी ड्राइव कर रहा था. In all these three sentences, you can see the action is happening in past time. Okay? In these two sentences, time is given, but in this sentence it is not. In this sentence, I was driving my car, time is not given, but the context says that this action was happening sometime in the past. Okay, so that's the first use of past continuous tense. Means when an action is continuously going on, is happening in the past, then we indicate that action, that activity through past continuous tense. And its structure would be subject plus was were plus verb V4 plus object. We, subject, was were, V4, object. Subject, was were, V4, object, and like that. Okay? Its second use is past continuous tense is also used when two activities are going on simultaneously in past time, and we use past continuous tense to indicate both the activities. Second use is past tense is used to indicate two activities which were going on simultaneously. In the past. Okay, and we use past continuous tense to indicate both the activities, like while I was reading my mother was cooking. Okay, here two activities are happening, reading and cooking, and both activities are happening simultaneously. एक ही साथ दोनों काम हो रहे हैं. जब मैं पढ़ रहा हूं उसी वक्त मेरी माँ खाना बना रही है. Okay, second example is Radha was dancing while Rohan was singing. Radha was dancing while Rohan was singing. राधा जब नाच रही थी तो रोहन गा रहा था. ओके. और थर्ड, Ram was reading and Mohan was writing. Okay, here you can see two activities are happening simultaneously. एक ही साथ दो काम पास टाइम में हो रहे हैं. जब भी मैं पढ़ रहा था, मेरी माँ खाना बना रही थी. जब भी राधा नाच रही थी, उसी वक्त रोहन गा रहा था. जब भी राम पढ़ रहा था, तो उस वक्त मोहन कुछ लिख रहा था. So here you can see कि two activities are happening simultaneously. एक ही साथ दो काम हो रहे हैं. उस कंडीशन में भी हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं दोनों एक्टिविटीज को इंडिकेट करने के लिए. ओके, एंड इट्स नेक्स्ट यूज is when one action was happening in the past, meanwhile another action was completed. जब पास्ट टाइम में ही एक एक्शन चल ही रहा था, चालू था, कंटिन्यू था, और उसी बीच दूसरा काम खत्म हो गया, तो उस कंडीशन में भी हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. एंड इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैड टोल्ड यू अबाउट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का हमने तीन, मैंने जो आपको बताना छोड़ दिया था कि एक नरेशन, एक पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के साथ भी सिंपल पास्ट यूज होता है. सो दैट सिंपल पास्ट इज यूज्ड विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी, कि जब भी एक एक्टिविटी चालू हो और उसी बीच दूसरा शुरू हुआ और खत्म हो गया, तो हम एक जो खत्म हो गया, द एक्टिविटी विच was completed will take simple past, and the activity which was going on, that will take past continuous tense. Okay, and example would be the light went out while I was watching my favorite, while I was watching a movie. Here two activities happened in past time. One activity finished, completed, and another activity was still going on. So when the activity which was still going on will take past continuous tense, and the activity which completed will take simple past tense. The light went out, simple past tense, while I was watching a movie, जब मैं एक मूवी देख रहा था. That would be subject, auxiliary verb, V4 and object. Here subject, V2, object. So this portion would be simple past tense, and this portion would be past continuous. Okay, so that is another use of past continuous tense. So altogether, these are the uses of past continuous tense. Now we will see according to sentences, affirmative, negative, interrogative and all. First we will see affirmative. Subject plus was, were plus V4 and object. And the examples will be I was teaching you English. Okay, they were playing cricket. And negative, subject plus was, were, not, V4, object. Ajay was not reading a book. Sharad was not dancing on the floor. Okay, so these are affirmative sentence and these are negative sentence. Next example of next kind of sentence is interrogative. Okay, and structure would be was, where plus subject, V4, object. Was Ram playing while Rohan came? Was Ram playing while Rohan came? क्या राम उस वक्त खेल रहा था जब भी रोहन आया? Were you eating a bread? Okay, and WH interrogative negative would be WH word plus was, where plus subject plus V4 plus object. When was Abhishek sleeping? Why were they fighting? Okay, so these are example of simple interrogative and WH interrogative. Next, interrogative negative, and structure would be subject plus not plus V4. Was Rita not visiting to your place. Were they not waiting for you? Right? And for WH interrogative negative, structure would be WH plus was where. So when was you not fighting? Why were they not looking at you? Okay, so these are examples of simple interrogative negative sentence and WH interrogative negative sentence of past continuous tense. Okay, so in this video we got to know the uses of past continuous tense. Its first use is to indicate some action, some activity which was going on in past time, whether time was given or not. Second is we use past continuous tense to indicate when two activities are going on simultaneously in past time. Third use of past continuous tense is when one activity is finished, is completed, while another one is still going on. In that case, we use simple past to that activity which is completed and past continuous tense to that activity which was still going on. Okay, thank you very much. In next video we will be discussing past perfect tense.